In this tutorial, you will learn how to share the folder that you created in the previous step with the administrator who is supervising and doing your evaluation. First, you will need to locate the folder that you created, and you may have to in the left nav, if it's not appearing immediately, you may have to expand My Drive in order to see it. Sometimes you can also find it in the right-hand pane. If you recall, I called this folder 2015 Talent Ed Evidences. I can start by selecting that folder, and notice when I select the folder that some of my options change at the top of the screen. One of those options becomes the outline image of a person with a plus sign next to it, and that's my share button. That's one way that I can share that folder. I can also right mouse click on the folder, and again I get a similar option with the capability of sharing it. When I select share, whether it be through the right mouse click or whether it be through the icon across the top, I'm given some options that I can enter names or email addresses. There are also advanced options. Sometimes I like to click on the advanced because it just is a little bit more viewable and friendly in how I want to set it up. I then would enter the email address of my administrator that is going to be observing me, and notice as I start to type their name, their email address should automatically appear. I have additional options. I can give this person privileges to edit, or I can give this person privileges that they can just view the information. Once I have this all figured out, I have the option of notifying people via email. That's always a good idea to include. You can also add a message if you want to add a personal email message, and then you would of course click send when you're done. I'm not going to click send because this is just a sample. I'm going to actually deselect. I don't want this person notified since this is a test. I would go ahead and click OK, and if I'm not sending an email, I get that verification notice. Are you sure you want to continue? I'm going to tell it yes. But my point is, notice then with this expanded view of sharing, I have indicated here then, and I can recheck that I've shared it with the correct people or person appropriately. Then I would click done. This concludes this step of sharing your folder.